மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Hello friends, this is your Yoganandam, biology lecturer from Medal Academy YouTube channel. Those who are watching this video, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Let us continue the question and answer with detailed solutions one by one. Question number 1. Select the correct statements. Prions are discovered by prisoner. These are smallest infectious protein particles which do not have nucleic acid. Prions cause diseases only in animals. No plant diseases caused by prions are reported, as prion is a type of protein that can trigger normal proteins in the brain to fold abnormally. The most common form of prion disease that affects human is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, where the prions attack nerve cells and produce the neurodegenerative brain disease. So the answer for this question is option B. From the given three statements, C only correctly given. Question number 2. Match the following and identify the correct match. Dinosaurs went extinct about 65 million years ago. That means at the end of the Cretaceous period, after living on Earth for about 165 million years. The Mesozoic era has three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The first period is Triassic, where the first dinosaur got originated around 225 million years ago. The Jurassic period had a giant dinosaur and was present around 175 million years ago. And the last period is Cretaceous, where the zenith of dinosaur was observed around 125 million years ago and got extinct at around 65 million years ago. So the correctly matching option is option A. Question number 3. Match the following. Zinc is a microelement required to plant for synthesis of indolactic acid, is a universal natural oxygen, proteins and RNA. Copper is also a microelement involved in electron transport, chlorophyll synthesis and maintenance of carbohydrate nitrogen balance. Boron, a microelement, is required for the formation of pollen tube, root nodule formation, cell elongation and cell differentiation. So the correctly matching option is option C. Question number 4. The natural selection that acts against change in the form and keep the population constant through the time is. Natural selection of neo-Darwinism operates through differential reproduction instead of survival of fittest. According to differential reproduction, best adapted organisms reproduce at a higher rate and produce more offspring than those which are less adapted. Three types of natural selections observed: stabilizing selection, directional selection, disruptive selection. Stabilizing selection is operating when the extreme phenotypes contribute fewer offsprings to next generation than those at the average phenotype. When selection acts to eliminate both extremes from an array of phenotypes, the frequency of intermediate type, which is already the most common, is increased. So the answer for this question is option D, stabilizing selection. Question number 5. With reference to enzymes, turnover number means the number of substrate molecules changed per minute by a molecule or enzyme is called turnover number. The higher the turnover number, the more efficient an enzyme is. It depends upon the number of active points present over an enzyme, precise collisions between reactions, and the rate of removal of end products. So the answer for this question is option C. The number of substrate molecules that a molecule of an enzyme convert into products per minute. Question number 6. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Darwin's finches, named due to their role in Charles Darwin's theories on evolution, are the most renowned land birds of the Galapagos. Fascinated with diversity found among the 13 species and the speed with which they evolved from a common ancestor to adapt to the varied supply of food available on individual islands. Darwin discovered that these adaptations mainly showed up in the shape and size of beaks. So the answer for this question is option A. Darwin finches show convergent evolution. Question number 7. Which one of the following belongs to the same class? Rhizopus and Mucor are members of Phycomycetes. Aspergillus, Saccharomyces, Morchella, and Truffles are Ascomyces fungi. Agaricus is Basidiomyces fungi. Morchella, commonly called as morels, and also the truffles are edible Ascomyces fungi, and Agaricus is edible Basidiomyces fungi. Colitotrichum and Alternaria are Deuteromycetes. So the answer for this question is option B. Morchella, truffles, and Saccharomyces. Question number 8. Health complication caused by protein deficiency is. Protein is a macronutrient and major biomolecule required for development and repair of all body cells. Protein deficiency lead to disorder of blood coagulating, and the person with moderate protein deficiency is at risk of deep vein thrombosis. Marasmus, kwashiorkor, impaired mental problem, hair loss, and a weak immune system are all symptoms of low protein in the body. So the answer for this question is option A. Marasmus, impaired mental problem, hair loss, abnormal blood coagulation, deep vein thrombosis. Question number 9. Identify the type of vector represented in the diagram given below. Plasmids are extra chromosomal self-replicating DNA present in bacteria. Plasmids are of different types on the basis of different types of genes present. The most common plasmid called R plasmid carries the antibiotic resistant gene and are commonly used as vector in genetic engineering to transfer gene of interest into host organism. Any plasmid becomes expressible when it contains a promoter region. Promoter act as a regulatory region allowing for the expression of protein. So the answer for this question is option A, an expressible plasmid. Question number 10. Which of the following antibody shows the strongest agglutination? Hemoglobin M exists as a pentamer and each molecule possesses 10 antigen binding sites. Hemoglobin A is abundant in tears, saliva, breast milk, and secretions of gastrointestinal and respiratory tracts. Hemoglobin M is frequently seen in the human response to antigenically complex organisms like viruses and bacteria. It is also activate complement system. So the answer for this question is option D, immunoglobulin M. Question number 11. Which of the following suggests the main role of bacteria in the carbon cycle? Bacteria are important decomposers in nature. They play an important role in the recycling of nutrients by causing breakdown of dead organic matter, thus plays an important role in carbon cycle. The most important bacteria involved in the carbon cycle is Pseudomonas denitrificans. So the answer for this question is option D, decomposing. Question number 12. Match the following. See the tabular column. Bergman's rule. Warm-blooded animals, including birds and mammals, have larger body size in cold climate than in hotter areas. As per Allen's rule, extremites, legs, ears, tail, mouth of warm-blooded animals become smaller in colder areas as compared to animals of warmer areas. Ranch's rule. In colder climate, birds possesses narrow and acuminate wings as compared to broader wings of birds found in warmer areas. Jordan's rule. As the temperature is lowered, some fishes possesses a larger size with a larger number of vertebrae. So the correctly matching option is option D. Question number 13. A newly discovered plant was found to be a gymnosperm because it. Gymnosperm word is derived from Greek word gymno means naked. Thus, gymnosperms are naked seed bearing plants in which seed are not present inside fruits, as gymnosperms are non flowering plants in which ovules are borne directly on megasporophyll. Thus, ovules remains exposed before and after fertilization. So, the answer for this question is option A. Gymnosperms do not have ovary but possesses exposed ovules. Question number 14. So here there are two fill in the blanks are given. The dash hormone is secreted by the dash cells of kidneys and stimulates the formation of erythrocyte. Erythropoietin is a glycoprotein secreted mainly by the kidney in response to cellular hypoxia. It stimulates red blood cells production. It is generally called as erythropoiesis in bone marrow. The interstitial fibroblasts are produced in the kidney are present associated with peritubular capillary and proximal convoluted tubules. So the answer for this question is option B. The erythropoietin hormone is secreted by the interstitial fibroblast cells of kidney and stimulates the formation of erythrocyte. Question number 15. Which of the following factor affect the rate of transpiration? The rate of transpiration increases with increase in temperature, but at very high temperature, transpiration decreases due to closure of stomata. Light promotes the opening of stomata, thus increases transpiration. Increases in humidity increases the opening of stomata, but decreases diffusion of water vapors out of stomata. Increase in wind speed increases transpiration, but very high wind velocity causes closure of stomata. So the answer for this question is option C. Both A and B, that both the factors affect the rate of transpiration. Question number 16. Which of the following hormone is responsible for the release of bile from gallbladder? Pancreozymin is also known as cholecystokinin, which results in the contraction of gallbladder and releases stored bile into the intestine. The gallbladder is a pear-shaped hollow structure located under the liver and on the right side of the abdomen. Its primary function is to store and concentrate bile, a yellow-brown digestive enzyme produced by the liver. Cholecystokinin is secreted by cells of the upper small intestine. It is secreted when the hydrochloric acid, amino acids, or fatty acids enters to the duodenum. So the answer for this question is option B. Pancreozymin. Question number 17. Algae and fungi are characterized by the presence of. Fungi and algae reproduce asexually by the production of spores and are often termed mitospore. The mitospores are produced through mitotic cell division in the sporangium and in fungi. These spores are called conidia. In algae, they are called as zoospores. So the answer for this question is option A. Mitospores. Question number 18. Which cells are responsible for phagocytosis of antigens and removal of cellular debris? The macrophages main role is phagocytosis bacteria and damaged tissue, and they also debride damaged tissue by releasing proteases. So the answer for this question is option D. Macrophages are the cells responsible for the phagocytosis of antigens and removal of cellular debris. Question number 19. Mesogamy is. During fertilization, pollen tube enters the ovule through three pathways, When the pollen tube enters the ovule through micropyle, it is called as porogamy. This is most common pathway. If pollen tube enters the ovule through integuments, it is called as mesogamy. And when pollen tube enters through the salazal end, it is called as salazogamy. So the answer for this question is option B, entry of pollen tube in the ovule through integuments. Question number 20. Epimysium is the outermost covering of following tissue or organ. The epimysium is the dense connective tissue that surrounds the entire muscle tissue. The perimysium is the connective tissue that surrounds each bundle of muscle fibers. The endomysium is the connective tissue that covers each single muscle fiber or myofiber or muscle cell. So the answer for this question is option B, muscular tissue. Question number 21. Apomixis is found in when diploid cell of nucellus divides to form diploid embryo sac, which contains a diploid egg cell from which embryo develops without fertilization or gametic fusion, then it is called as apospory. This mechanism of seed formation without gametic fusion or fertilization is called as apomixis. It is commonly present in the members of Astraceae and grasses. So the answer for this question is option C, both Astraceae and grasses. Question number 22. The epithelium found in hollow organs like bronchioles or originally dash type of epithelium bearing fine breast-like structures on its free surface. If the columnar or cuboidal cells bear cilia on their free surface, they are called ciliated epithelium. Their function is to move particles or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. They are mainly present in the inner surface of hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tube. So the answer for this question is option A, columnar epithelium bearing fine breast-like structures on its free surface. Question number 23. Fill in the blanks. Totally there are 4 questions are given. Recombination takes place at pactin stage and reduction of chromosome takes place in anaphase 1 stage. Question number 24. Which of the following sets consist of pseudocoelomate organisms? The members of phylum Ascaelminthus are commonly called as roundworms. These are either free living or endoparasites found in animals, including human beings. Roundworms are bilaterally symmetrical, tropoblastic, and pseudocoelomate animals with organ level of organization. Example, Ascaris and Xylostoma. So the answer is option A, Ascaris and Xylostoma. Question number 25. Hormones have the following features. Adenohypophysis or anterior pituitary produces gonadotropin like luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormones, which triggers the gonads to produce sex hormones, progesterone, estrogen, and testosterone. In females, progesterone, estrogen are responsible for controlling the menstrual cycle and also are responsible for secondary sexual characters during puberty. In males, the testosterone produced by Leydig cells influences the spermatogenesis and secondary sexual characters. So the answer for this question is option D from the given 4 statements. And all the 4 factors are influencing secondary sexual characters. Question number 26. The amino acid found only in bacterial and blue-green algae is diaminopimelic acid. It is commonly called as DAP, is an amino acid, a carboxy derivative of lysine. It is characteristically present in the cell walls of some gram-negative bacteria within the peptide linkages of NAM and NAG. So the answer for this question is option B, diaminopimelic acid. Question number 27. Select the correct order of phyla on the basis of number of species. Arthropoda is largest phylum with more than 1.1 million species, followed by Mollusca, 90,000 plus species, Aschelminthus, 80,000 plus species, and Chordata, 60,000 plus species. So the answer for this question is option D. Arthropoda followed by Aschelminthus followed by Chordata. Question number 28. In a DNA molecule, nitrogenous base is linked to pentose sugar by A linkage and the pentose sugar is linked to phosphate by B linkage. Correctly identify A and B. So the answer for this question is option B. N-glycoside linkage and phosphodiester linkage. There are two linkages are correctly given. Question number 29. During spermatogenesis, secondary spermatocytes are result of having completed the first meiotic division. These cells gives rise to daughter cells called secondary spermatocytes, which divide to complete meiosis to form round spermatids. The round spermatids do not divide but undergo a complex metamorphosis called as spermiogenesis to become spermatozoa that are released into the lumen of the seminiferous tubule by the process called as spermiation. So the answer is option B, meiosis 1. Question number 30. Select the incorrect statement. Besides flagella, pili, and fimbria are also surface structures of bacteria but do not play a role in motility. The pili are elongated tubular structures made up of special protein. The fimbria are small bristle-like fibers sprouting out of the cell. In some bacteria, they are known to help attach the bacteria to rocks in streams and also to the host tissues. So the answer for this question is option C. Surface structures of bacteria like flagella, pili, and fimbriae play a major role in motility. Question number 31. Which of these pairs of organisms are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic? The members of phyla Aschelminthus and Platyhelminthes are triploblastic and bilaterally symmetrical. Ascaris is a roundworm while Planaria is a freshwater flatworm. Answer for this question is option A. Ascaris and Planaria. Question number 32. Identify the living plant tissues whose main function is to provide buoyancy to the plant. Parenchymatous tissue is made up of living cells. It has thin primary wall made up of cellulose and has intracellular spaces. In aquatic plants, these intracellular spaces are large and helps in providing buoyancy to the plant, which helps the plant in floating. Such modified parenchyma is called as arenchyma. So the answer for this question is option D, modified parenchyma. Question number 33. A vascular bundle which do not have cambium is called. Vascular bundles having cambium in between xylem and phloem are called as open bundles. Due to cambium, they carry secondary growth. Vascular bundles which do not have cambium are called as closed bundles. Open bundles seen in dicot plants and closed bundles occurs in monocotyledons. So the answer for this question is option B, conjoint but not collateral. Question number 34. Which of the following factors contributes to the increase of the pulmonary volume? Inspiration is initiated by the contraction of diaphragm, which increases the volume of thoracic chamber in the anterior posterior axis. The contraction of external intercostal muscles and relaxation of the internal intercostal muscles lifts up the ribs, that means upwards and outwards, and the sternum causing the increase in the volume of the thoracic chamber in the dorsoventral axis. The overall increase in the thoracic volume causes similar increase in pulmonary volume. An increase in pulmonary volume decreases the intrapulmonary pressure to less than the atmospheric pressure, which forces the air from the outside to move into the lungs. Inspiration, relaxation of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles return to diaphragm and sternum to their normal position and reduce the thoracic volume of thereby pulmonary volume. This leads to an increase in intrapulmonary pressure to slightly above the atmospheric pressure, causing the expulsion of air from the lungs. Is called as expiration. So the answer for this question is option B, relaxation of the internal intercostal muscles. Question number 35. Which of the following is the basis of phylogenetic classification? Phylogeny is the study of evolutionary history of organisms. In phylogenetic classification, both morphological characters and evolutionary history of organism is considered in classification. First, phylogenetic classification was proposed by Eichler. It is most important classification which is used for classification. So the answer is option B, descent from common origin. Question number 36. Choose the incorrect match in the following. It is the volume of air that remains in the lungs after maximum forceful expiration. In other words, it is the volume of air that cannot be expelled from the lungs. This volume remains unchanged regardless of lungs volume at which expiration was started. So the answer for this question is option C. So that is the incorrect one. Total lung capacity is equal to vital capacity and tidal volume. Question number 37. Gonialax is a protist which red tide is caused due to dinoflagellate Gonialax. During favorable season, Gonialax multiplies rapidly, forming huge mass which gives red color to water known as red tide. It secretes toxic substance called as saxitoxin in water, which results death of large number of marine fishes. So the answer for this question is option A, cause an algal bloom where it rapids multiplication changes the sea color. Question number 38. What will happen if the secretion of parietal cell of gastric gland is blocked with an inhibitor? The oxyntic cells or parietal cells of the gastric gland secrete HCl. This HCl converts pepsinogen and prorenin to pepsin and renin respectively. So the answer for this question is option C. The absence of HCl secretion, inactive pepsinogen is not converted to active enzyme pepsin. Question number 39. Out of the following animals, how many show the estrus cycle? Here there are some animal names are given. Lion, goat and rat show estrus cycle. Lizard is oviparous. Human, apes and monkeys show menstrual cycle. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given animals, three animals are showing estrus cycle. Question number 40. Which of the following parts of the human eye comprises of densely packed cones? The optic nerves leave the eyes and retinal blood vessels enter it at a point medial to and slightly above the posterior pole of the eyeball. Photoreceptor cells are not present in that region and hence it is called as blind spot. At the posterior pole of the eye lateral to blind spot, there is a yellowish pigmented spot called as macula lutea with a central pit called as fovea. The fovea is thinned out portion of the retina where only the cones are densely packed. It is the point where the visual activity, that means resolution, is the greatest. So the answer is option A, fovea. Question number 41. After the dash stage, cell walls are laid down, leading to the organization of the typical female gametophyte or embryo sac. The nucleus of the functional megaspore divides mitotically to form two nuclei, which move to the opposite poles, forming the two nucleate embryo sac. Two more sequential mitotic nuclear division results in the formation of four nucleate and later eight nucleate stages of embryo sac formed. It is of interest to note that these mitotic divisions are strictly free nuclear, that is, nuclear divisions are not followed immediately by cell wall formation. After 8 nucleate stage, cell walls are laid down, leading to the organization of the typical female gametophyte or embryo sac. So the answer for this question is option B. After 8 nucleate stage, cell walls are laid down, leading to the organization of the typical female gametophyte or embryo sac. Question number 42. The association areas of the brain are responsible for an area of cerebral cortex that lies away from the main areas that are concerned with the reception of sensory impulses and are start of motor impulses but is linked to them by many neurons known as association fibers. The areas of association are thought to be responsible for elaboration of the information received by the primary sensory areas and its correlation with the information fed in front of memory and from other brain areas. They are thus responsible for the maintenance of many higher mental activities. So the answer for this question is option A. Intersensory associations, memory and communications. Question number 43. Which type of endosperm is absorbed in the white kernel of coconut? Cellular type of endosperm is absorbed in Cypsella, belongs to Brassicaceae family, in which of karyokinesis is followed by cytokinesis, forming solid cellular endosperm. In coconut, nuclear endosperm is formed, in which karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis. Initially, thus liquid nuclear endosperm is formed. The white kernel is the cellular endosperm. So the answer for this question is option A, cellular. Question number 44. Refer to the diagram given below and identify A and B. From the given diagrammatic representation, blood vessels are poorly developed and open into spaces called as hemocoel. Visceral organs located in the hemocoel are bathed in blood. It is generally called as hemolymph. The hemolymph is composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. Heart of cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal line of the thorax and abdomen. It is differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. Blood from sinuses enter heart through ostia and is pumped anteriorly to the sinuses again. So the answer for this question is option C. From the given diagrammatic representation, A represent anterior aorta, B represent alveolar muscles. Question number 45. With respect to the picture given below, which of the following method will be implemented to obtain more progeny of this animal? Interspecific hybridization. In this method, male and female animals of two different related species are mated. In some cases, the progeny may be combined desirable features of both the parents and may be considerable economic value. Example, mule. The given picture is that of mule. So the answer for this question is option C, interspecific hybridization. Question number 46. Which of the following is not a medicinal plant of commercial use? Mulati is commonly called as Glycir is a member of family Fabaceae. Rauwolfia is a member of Apocynaceae family, and Belladonna, Atropa belladonna, member of Solanaceae family, and are all medicinal plants. Indigofera, commonly called as Nile, is used to obtain dye. So the answer for this question is option D, Indigofera. Question number 47. Which one of the following condition indicates Klinefelter syndrome? Sex determining mechanism in human is XY type. Out of 23 pairs of chromosomes present, 22 pairs are exactly same in male and females. These are called as autosomes. Two X chromosomes are present in the females, whereas the presence of X and Y chromosome are determinants of male. 44 plus X0 Turner syndrome, 44 plus XY normal human male, 44 plus XX normal human female. So the answer for this question is option A, 44 autosomes, XXY allosomes. Question number 48. In the process of treating sewage and industrial wastewaters using air and a biological fluid, the sediment obtained is called sewage mixed with bacteria and fungi that thrive and multiply in it and lead to the oxidation. Activation reduces the organic pollution that raw sewage otherwise will impose on the body of water to which it is discharged. Once the BOD sewage or wastewater is reduced significantly, the effluent is passed into setting tank where the bacterial flocks undergo sedimentation and the sediment is thus called activated sludge. So the answer for this question is option A, activated sludge. Question number 49. Throughout the country since October 2010, all two-wheelers and three-wheelers have to follow dash and dash respectively. Bharat Stage 2 or Euro 2 norms, both are almost equivalent or no more applicable in any of the cities of India. Two-wheelers, it is Bharat Stage 3 throughout the country since October 2010. Three-wheelers, Bharat Stage 3 throughout the country since October 2010. Bharat Stage 3 throughout the country since October 2010 except 13 mega cities. Four-wheelers, Bharat Stage 4, 13 mega cities including Delhi and NCR, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Surat, Kanpur, Agra, Lucknow and Solapur since April 2010. So the answer for this question is option A, Bharat Stage 3 and 4. Question number 50. Three basic steps are required for making GMOR. GMO means genetically modified organisms. What is the correct sequence of involvement? For genetically modifying an organism, a specific desired gene is to be isolated. This desired gene should be introduced in a specific host cell where it can multiply and get transferred to all of the progeny cells. So the correct sequence is option D. 1 is followed by 2, 2 is followed by 3. Question number 51. During gel electrophoresis, which chemical is used for visualizing the fragmented DNA? In gel electrophoresis, the fragmented DNA can be visualized only after staining the DNA with a compound known as lithium bromide followed by exposure to UV radiation, as pure DNA fragments cannot be seen in visible light without staining. So the answer is option D, lithium bromide. Question number 52. Select the incorrect match. First step in RDT, that is recombinant DNA technology, is lysis of the cell from which the DNA has to be obtained. For this purpose, various enzymes are being used. First one, lysozyme for bacteria, cellulase for plant cell, chitinase for fungal cell. So here from the given four options, option A is incorrectly matched. Question number 53. Which of the following is not an invasive alien plant species in India? When alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately for whatever purpose of some of them turns invasive and cause decline or extinction of indigenous species, the environmental damage caused and threat posed to our native species by invasive species like carrot grass, example Parthenium lantana and water hyacinth Icarnia. The recent illegal introduction of African catfish Clarias garipinus for aquaculture purposes is posing a threat to indigenous catfishes in our rivers. So the answer is option D, Clarias. Question number 54. 190 countries pledged to achieve a significant reduction in the current rate of biodiversity loss at global levels by 2010 in DAS on sustainable development held in 2002 in Johannesburg, South Africa. The Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992, called upon all nations to take appropriate measures for conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefits. In a follow of the World Summit, 190 countries pledge their commitment to achieve by 2010. So the answer for this question is option A, World Summit. Question number 55. The amount of biomass or organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by the plants during the photosynthesis is called. Each tropic level has a certain mass of living material at a particular time called as the standing crop. The standing crop is measured as the mass of living organism or the number of unit area. The biomass of the species is expressed in terms of fresh weight or dry weight. Measurement of biomass in terms of dry weight is more accurate. Primary production is defined as the amount of biomass or organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants during photosynthesis. So the answer for this question is option A, primary productivity. Question number 56. Which of the following best explains the abiotic components in pond ecosystem? Pond is a shallow water body which is having all the four basic components of ecosystem. Autotrophs, phytoplanktons, some algae, and the floating submerged and marginal plants found at the edges. Consumers, zooplanktons, the free swimming and bottom dwelling forms. Decomposers, fungi, bacteria, and flagellates, usually abundant at the sea floor. Pond is a self-sustainable unit. So the answer for this question is option C, water with dissolved inorganic and organic substances and also the soil at the bottom. Question number 57. Which of the following describes the function of the skin bag which encloses the testis? The male gonads, the testes lie outside the abdomen within the scrotum, which is a sac-like structure derived from the skin and fascia of abdominal wall. The scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature of testes 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature necessary for spermatogenesis. So the answer for this question is option C. Question number 58. To determine the type of organic compounds found in a living organism. The living tissue is ground with the help of a mortar and pestle in. To determine the type of organic matter present in living tissue is grinded in trichloroacetic acid. The slurry thus obtained is filtered to obtain acid soluble pool which passes through the filter and acid insoluble pool which is retained. The acid soluble pool contains the micromolecules and the acid insoluble pool contain the macromolecules. 2,4-D and 2,4,5-T are auxin based pesticides. So the answer for this question is option A, trichloroacetic acid. Question number 59. Which of the following polysaccharide is wrongly matched with its monomer? Glycogen, glucose, it is correctly matched. Chitin is made up of N-acetyl glucosamine, that also correctly matched. Unulin, it is made up of monomer mannose, it is incorrectly matched. D. Mucopolysaccharide is made up of amino sugars and other chemically modified sugars, that also correctly matched. So answer for this question is option C, unulin mannose, it is wrongly matched. Question number 60. MTP Act was passed by the Indian government in Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 with a view to increase upper gestation limit for termination of pregnancy under certain conditions and to strengthen access to comprehensive abortion care under strict conditions without compromising service and quality of safe abortion. That act introduced in the year of 1971. So the answer for this question is option B. Question number 61. An enzyme catalyzes a reaction by dash activation energy of the reaction. Enzyme catalyzes a reaction by lowering down the activation energy of the reaction so that the reaction can occur at normal cellular conditions. Activation energy is lowered by using binding energy, which is released when substrate binds to active site of enzyme to form enzyme substrate complex. Thus, enzyme substrate complex formation is very much necessary for enzyme catalyzed reaction to occur. So the answer is option B. An enzyme catalyzes a reaction by decreasing activation energy of the reaction. Question number 62. Which of the following is a set of hormone releasing IUD? Types of IUDs. Non-medicated IUDs, example Lipase loop. Copper releasing IUDs, example copper T, copper 7, multiload 375. Hormone releasing IUDs, progesterone, LNG 20. So the answer is option B. Question number 63. A monocarpellary or multicarpellary, the syncorpus ovary develops into only one fruit. Such fruit is termed as. When a single fruit develops from single flower having one or many syncorpus ovary, then it is called as simple fruit. So the answer for this question is option A, simple fruit. Question number 64. Identify the placentation and select the options with suitable examples in which it is found. Placentation mean arrangement of ovules in the ovary. Marginal placentation, placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture of the ovary and the ovules are born in the two rows on the ridge. Example P. gram. Axial placentation. Here placenta is axial making the ovary multilocular and the ovule are attached to it. Example tomato, lemon, China rose. Parietal placentation. Here ovules are attached to the inner part of the ovary Ovary is one chambered but later on becomes two chambered due to the development of false septum. Example, mustard or jimon. Basal placentation. Here, single ovule is attached to the base of the ovary. Example, sunflower, marigold. Last one is free central placentation. Here, ovules are born on central axis and the septa or partitions are absent. Example, primrose, dianthus. So, the answer for this question is option A, primrose, dianthus. Question number 65. The outermost layer of endosperm in monocot made up of protein is called. The outermost layer of the endosperm of monocot is called as alluron layer. Answer for this question is option A, alluron layer. Question number 66. According to Bergman's rule, the mammals from cold climate have. Bergman's rule states that organisms at higher latitudes should be larger and thicker than those closer to the equator to better conserve heat. And Allen's rule states that they will have shorter and thicker limbs at higher latitudes. So the answer is option A, larger body and shorter extremites. Question number 67. If a superior competitor is removed from the area, there is always an increased population of the otherwise exploited species. Above the given phenomena is according to Colonel's elegant field experiment in intertidal area of Scotland, barnacle, that is balanus are competitively superior species and predominates in the area, and barnacle Cathramalus is competitively inferior species and in confined to narrow zone in the area. Removal of superior balanus led to rapid rise in the population of inferior Cathamalus. This is called competitive release. So the answer is option C, principle of competitive release. Question number 68. Which treaty is related to the control of the emission of ozone depleting substances? Recognizing the deleterious effect of ozone depletion and international treaty known as the Montreal Protocol was signed at Montreal. It is located in Canada in the year of 1987, effective in 1989 to control the emission of ozone depletion. So the answer for this question is option A, Montreal Protocol in 1987 and effective in 1989. Question number 69. Eutrophication is often seen in freshwater lakes. The main causes of eutrophication in these water system are sediments and thermal stratification with agricultural runoff from fertilizers and manure containing nitrates and phosphates and discharge of partially treated or untreated sewages or phosphate containing detergents. So the answer is option B, freshwater lakes. Question number 70. T.W. Engelmann performed his experiments on which of the following? Engelmann experimented on Cladophora. He illuminated Cladophora with a white light after passing through prism. He used aerobic bacteria to detect oxygen evolution site and observed that maximum bacteria accumulated in blue and red region of the spectrum, indicating that maximum photosynthesis occur in this region. So the answer is option A, Cladophora. Question number 71. If the light is made unavailable, then the biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. Effect of light on photosynthesis. Effect of light is categorized under light quality, light intensity, and duration of exposure of light. At low light intensity, there is a linear relationship between incident light and carbon dioxide fixation rates. At higher light intensities, the rate gradually does not show further increase as other factors become limiting. So the answer for this question is option B, will stop after some time. Question number 72. Correctly identify the energy yielding step in glycolysis. ATP is synthesized in reaction when phosphoenol pyruvic acid is converted to pyruvic acid. This direct synthesis of ATP is called as transphosphorylation or substrate level phosphorylation. So the answer is option D, phosphoenol pyruvic acid to pyruvic acid. Question number 73. Select the correct statement about cellular respiration. It is the mechanism of breakdown of food materials within the cells to release energy and trapping of energy for synthesis of ATP. Most of the liberated energy goes out as heat while remaining part is utilized to form ATP for future use. So the answer is option A. Most of the energy is liberated as heat. Question number 74. Which of the following curve corresponds to maximum growth? Most living organisms under natural conditions showing sigmoid curve in which there is initial slow growth called lag phase followed by log or exponential phase and then stationary phase is observed. So the answer is option A, logistic curve. Question number 75. How many of the following auxins are synthetic? From the given, indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid are natural auxins synthesized in plants. Naphthalene acetic acid and 2,4-D dichlorophenoxyacetic acid are synthetic auxin. Auxin is mainly synthesized at shoot apex as light is necessary for synthesis of auxin. So from the given auxins, there are two auxins. Option B. Question number 76. Which vitamin is added during curding of milk? Conversion of milk to curd is done by lactobacillus, which cause coagulation of milk and partial digestion of milk protein casein. It adds vitamin B12 and increases nutritional quality of curd. Curd is also useful in checking growth of other diseases causing microbes in stomach. So the answer is option D, vitamin B12. Question number 77. During agarose gel electrophoresis, DNA moves. Treating the purified DNA with the restriction enzyme for digestion, the progression of the digestion is analyzed by agarose gel electrophoresis. DNA is negatively charged. It progresses towards the anode. So the answer for this question is option A, towards anode as it is negatively charged. Question number 78. A syndrome is characterized by the furrowed tongue, characteristic palm crease, mental retardation, and short statured with a small round head. It is due to anomaly of which of the following chromosome? Down syndrome is chromosomal disorder. The cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21, trisomy of 21. This disorder was first described by Langdon Down. So the answer is option D, 21st. Question number 79. Identify the number of Mendelian disorders from the given list. Cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, thalassemia, and phenylketonuria are Mendelian disorders which are determined by the alternation or mutation in single gene. These disorders are transmitted to the offsprings on the same lines as principles of inheritance. So the answer is option B. So from the given diseases, there are 6 diseases are Mendelian disorders. Question number 80. Select the correct statement. Morgan and his group found that the genes were grouped on the same chromosome. Some genes were very tightly linked, showed very low recombination, while others were loosely linked, showed higher recombination. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given four statements, option D is a correct statement. Question number 81. Which set of cells in our body exhibit amoeboid movement? Amoeboid movement, it is affected by pseudopodia formed by the streaming of protoplasm. Cytoskeletal elements, example, microfilaments also participate. Example, movement of macrophages and leukocytes. So the answer is option D, leukocytes and macrophages. Question number 82. Fertilized embryo sac is shown in the diagram. P and Q are result of dash and dash respectively. Pollen tube releases the two male gametes into the cytoplasm of synergid. Male gamete 1 and egg cell called as syngamy. The result of syngamy is zygote. Male gamete 2 fuse with central cell with diploid, that is called as triple fusion. Primary endosperm cell is formed. Syngamy and triple fusion together called as double fertilization. So the answer for this question is option D. Syngamy and triple fusion is given. Question number 83. Which of the following is a fibrous joint? Sutures are type of joint formed in flat skull bones which fuse end to end with the help of dense fibrous connective tissue to form the cranium. So the answer is option B, Sutures joint. Question number 84. Which of the following plant can be propagated by leaf and bulbils respectively? It is a kind of vegetative reproduction. It occurs by the structures known as vegetative propagules. Rhizome, example ginger. Eyes or buds, example potato. Bulbils, example agave. Leaf buds. Adventitious buds arise from the notches present in the margins of leaves, example bryophyllum. Offset, example water hyacinth. So the answer for this question is option A, bryophyllum agave. Question number 85. Identify the gland in which two lobes are interconnected with a thin flap of connective tissue. The thyroid has two sides called as lobes that lie on either side of your windpipe and is usually connected by a strip of thyroid tissue known as isthmus. So the answer is option C, thyroid gland. Question number 86. Find the odd one out about sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is a autosomal recessive disease. This disease is controlled by a pair of alleles, HB power A, that is normal dominant allele, and HBS, affected recessive allele. So the answer for this question is option D. It is an example of allosomal recessive mutation, that is odd one. Question number 87. Zona glomerulosa is the region which of the following gland? The adrenal cortex is made up of inner, middle and outer layers. Aldosterone is produced in the outer layer. Cortisol, androgen and estrogen are produced in the inner layer, that is active zone, and stored in the middle layer, storage zone. In times of stress, the storage zone shrinks and the active zone thickens to secrete more hormones. So the answer is option A. Zona glomerulosa is the region of adrenal gland. Question number 88. In Gordon P, starch synthesis is regulated by B and small b alleles. Capital B, small b genotype producers. Capital A single gene product may be produced more than one effect. For example, starch synthesis in pea seeds is controlled by one gene. It has two alleles, capital B and small b. Starch is synthesized effectively by capital B homozygotes, and therefore large starch grains are produced. In contrast, small b homozygotes have lesser efficiency in starch synthesis and produce smaller starch grains. Capital B, small b produce intermediate seeds. So the answer for this question is option C, intermediate sized round seeds. Question number 89. Which of the following tissue is possessed by a blue whale which lies beneath the skin and else during hibernation? Blue whale possesses a special tissue which lies beneath the skin and else during hibernation. Hibernators depend on their fat reserves while cold and fuel rewarming. So the answer for this question is option A, adipose connective tissue. Question number 90. Select the incorrect statement about nucleolus. Nucleolus, this membraneless and active site for ribosomal RNA synthesis. Nucleoli are found more than one and also larger in size if the cells are actively involved in protein synthesis. So the answer for this question is option B. It is an active site for mRNA synthesis. That is an incorrect statement about nucleolus. Thank you for listening our videos. All the best.